Hi everyone, in this quick video, we will talk about best practices for assessing cloud migration readiness. These steps will help you to understand where we need to focus for making our infrastructure ready for cloud migration. When organizations are considering migrating to the cloud, it's important to assess their readiness first. There are a few key factors to consider when assessing readiness for cloud migration. 1. Infrastructure. Is the current IT infrastructure ready to support a cloud migration? There may need to be some updates or changes made to support the new system. 2. Application compatibility. Will all of the organization's current applications be compatible with the cloud? If not, what changes need to be made to ensure compatibility? 3. Data management. How will data be managed in the cloud? What processes and tools need to be in place to ensure data security and compliance? 4. Costs. What will the costs be to migrate to the cloud and to operate in the cloud? Organizations need to have a clear understanding of the financial impact of cloud migration before making the decision to move forward. 5. Staff training. Will staff need to be trained on how to use the cloud? What processes and tools need to be in place to support staff in using the cloud? Organizations need to carefully consider these factors before migrating to the cloud. By doing so, they can ensure a successful cloud migration and avoid any potential issues.